Veterinary medicine is very, very special. I see veterinary medicine as a wheel with many different spokes.
For 50 years, the Association of American Veterinary Medical Colleges has shaped the future of veterinary medicine. The origins of veterinary medicine date back thousands of years. Veterinarians have always served both people and animals. Today, in just the United States, veterinarians provide human-quality health care for 180 million pet dogs and cats. They help support a $100 billion animal agriculture industry. They protect public health and advance the frontiers of science. Supporting it all are the member institutions of the AAVMC.
Our role is to provide a forum for all of the colleges to come together in one place to address the compelling and pressing issues in academic veterinary medicine.
We address all of the problems of the profession by providing the leaders of the profession, by providing the members of the profession.
This is an unbelievable organization of all the universities that brings together our profession in a way that is so unique.
We're a small profession in a big society, and the only way that we can accomplish great things is when we work together.
The AAVMC works closely with stakeholder organizations around the world to advance veterinary medicine. We inspire and recognize professional excellence.
Leadership, I think, in veterinary medicine is hugely important right now because we're right at the edge of some pretty dramatic changes in the profession.
The AAVMC is providing that leadership. Our strategic plan establishes priorities, focuses resources, and builds momentum.
We're bringing the resources of the organization appropriately aligning them with the needs of the colleges in a way that can help the colleges.
Analyze, catalyze, advocate. These frame our key initiatives. Achieve educational excellence. Recruit high-quality future professionals. Enhance diversity in the veterinary profession. Promote a One Health approach to global well-being. Foster the power of discovery. The AAVMC leads in the collection and analysis of data that advances scholarship, improves institutional performance, develops insight and understanding. The AAVMC leads as a facilitator and catalyst that convenes and unites, bringing together the best minds in academic veterinary medicine.
There are a lot of collaborations that are going, transdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, multi-institutional.
It's a great chance for us as colleagues and educators throughout the nation to really exchange best practices.
The AAVMC leads as an advocate for academic veterinary medicine in Washington, working with Congress to shape legislation. Building relationships with federal agencies has been a critical priority since our founding. This work has never been more important.
We're here to help these offices and their staffers and the legislators understand a little bit more about veterinary medicine and the impact that we have on research, on the economy, on public health, on food safety, on all the many things that veterinarians do.
Had a chance to meet with a couple of our senators and a couple of our representatives, and really been an enlightening experience.
The AAVMC and the AVMA have worked together to create the first veterinary medicine caucus in the U.S. Congress.
I think having this caucus is going to be a huge plus for veterinary medicine. Hopefully put us a little more on the radar screen in the public health area also.
When you have tough issues to deal with, you can go to somebody on a veterinary caucus and just say, hey, you know, you've got that relationship.
We live in an instantaneous, interconnected world. In the age of globalization, animal-based disease can quickly become catastrophic.
The problems that we're addressing in terms of global health, both animal health and public health, are very complicated and they're very large.
You think of One Health as the inextricable link between animal, human, and environmental health, locally, nationally, and globally.
We have to be an international leader, and we should be, and the AAVMC provides the ideal venue for that.
For 50 years, the AAVMC has kept its gaze on the future, helping the profession adapt to change.
I see a new wave of the students who are coming into our schools. They're advocates, they're passionate, and I think if we can capture their energy, we're looking at an incredibly bright future for our profession.
50 years of improving education and really adapting to the needs of society with those changes.
I think we've been taking quantum leaps this entire time.
We need to step up and play our role and tell our story.
When you have the practicing community, the academic community, and the AVMA all going shoulder to shoulder, a small profession like veterinary medicine is at its strongest.
It's an important milestone to take a look back and see where we've been, but more important, what are we going to do in the next 50 years?